on the way to another South Florida attraction. We are about to check out the Miami Seaquarium. Yeah, so it's a spring break and we're just exploring our local area. Sometimes we try to go here and we try to go there and we try to travel and all kind of stuff, and we still have not explored what is in our backyard. So yeah, we're just exploring the great Miami. Miami is like the craze of the world. Everybody wants to come to the famous Miami, and it's a crying shame if you live in the city of Miami and you don't even explore, you know, the gem that is at your fingertips. So yeah, we just do little stuff, utilize the group hunting and ting. You don't have to spend, you don't have to break the bank, you know, just try to be economical and have fun. Go to the beach, which is free, you know, go to the little attractions that are available. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And we're on the I-95 heading mile. Use the right 2 lanes downtown. To take exit 1A toward Key Biscayne, Rickenbacker Causeway. It was such a rainy day this morning. I had no idea that the clouds would be, the sky would look so clear. It's looking super clear right now. It's very sunny outside, and I honestly hope it stays that way. Yeah. Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 1A. We have the Fam Bam. Hi. And we have Tamia. In 1,000 feet, use any lane to turn slightly left. Driver. No, use any lane to turn slightly left toward Southwest 26th Road, then use any lane to turn left onto Southwest 26th Road.
So we're here at the Miami Seaquarium and we're pay for going. We're gonna pay for going right now. Yes, if you're in South Florida, you have to come to the Miami Seaquarium. It is where the sea and the aquarium meet.
Yes.
So it's very aquarium-ish.
Yes.
Yeah. So the family will go up to the paying line and we'll talk to you when we get in there, because yes. I don't really stop for lines because I'm a star. Yes. So we're here on the inside of this facility and we're just giving you a quick look at the Seaquarium. Yeah, that's a tail of a whale or a whale of a tail. Which one? Whale of a tail or a tail of a whale? This is the little boy. Come, son.
Hi.
He can't spray in the AI.
It is very refreshing.
It is very ostentatious. It's very supernatural.
Very. It's very artificial.
It's very what?
Artificial. Killer whale. Here we come.
Really?
Here we come. Hey, Maya, I feel like a kid.
Yeah.
I feel like a kid.
It's very
feeding and kiddish.
It's very kiddify.
Yes. It's very.
My index are too dark. I'm not going there.
Do that?
Yeah. Say hello, guys.
Hello guys.
How you doing? Oh.
Heading towards the endangered manatee show.
Nuts, beans, rice. It's kipil. But look, there's carrots, there's strawberries,
Those look like rocks.
At first, I thought it was rocks.
For real, they look like huge rocks. They don't even look like a living thing. But yeah, they're the endangered manatees. They eat up to 400 pounds of food every single day. Really?
We're the only facility in Southern Florida able to take big manatees. Allow us to try to release as many as we can back out into the wild. Sometimes we're here, and in that case, we will take care for them for the rest of their lives. All three girls here have their rescues.
Yep, they're all three girls. No boys, all girls.
Juliet is our oldest, including sea turtles and manatees. We're the only facility in Southern Florida able to take big manatees. And while we try to release as many as we can back out into the wild, sometimes from the Miami River in 1958.
These things
they
are
over
huge.
60 years old.
Oh my
It's
lord.
estimated that manatees can live up to 80, with the majority of the wild living up to 40. But unfortunately, with all the threats they
Look at that.
face, most will make it
Guys, I
past the age
swear,
of 10.
this is so big.
Juliet is 11 feet and 3,300 pounds. However, manatees can reach up to 13 feet and 3,500 pounds. So you
Lettuce.
That is lettuce. Come over here. Take it in. Wow.
Mommy, make us chicken.
Keep tearing up that lettuce though.
I think he got tired.
Are you taking a breath?
Mommy, come here. Come here, Mom.
Wait, Adrian, look. Manatee's eating a salad.
Look at that, see? Look, that's so beautiful.
Makes more salad than me.
Can I get some of your lettuce? Can I share your lettuce? Mr. Manatee?
Here's the manatees.
Hi.
The manatee
Manatee.
eating the lettuce like a savage.
Savage, for real.
Underwater lettuce. I wonder how that tastes.
I guess their mouth is small, because why is he taking so long to eat one little head of lettuce?
It's mostly water. Yeah, that's true. Hey.
Where are them? Now we're blackfish.
Boys and girls, your attention please. We apologize for the interruption. This is your captain speaking. We just received word from the National Weather Center that our cruise is about to enter rough waters. This means we're going to navigate our way through them as fast as we can. But for those of you here at the top deck, especially those of you along this river Amazon, we are going to see some splashing salt water.
The dolphin show was a blast, guys. I hope you all enjoyed that one. Yes, Miami Aquarium. What we're doing here? May I tell you the truth? I enjoyed it. Mayo, how was it?
This is very cinematic.
It was supernatural.
Very extraordinary. Into the
Elocution.
the ocean.
Yes. Yeah, see dolphin at the end. Say something, dolphin. Say something. We're going to the alligator habitat now in Discovery Bay.
Look at the big turtle. It's a big one there. Huge enemy.
Nile crocodile is the largest reptile in Africa, growing up to 20 feet in length. What you need?
Now go over there.
Go on. Tell him to say hello.
It's a spirit. We can ask Uncle, sir.
Yeah.
Let me go over there. You want to save me?
No. My if the alligator bite you, me I walk well like me don't know nothing we go on. Me not even come when the police. When the police them come, me not there.
You're serious? You're serious?
What?
My, but at Jamaica where I come from.
Me not send you over there.
But
My watch one day walk. Watch one day walk.
You know what? He's walking. Watch it. We can move.
The one that's supposed to taste good in our ears. The one that we walk, can have muscle.
Watch it.
The one that are nice to fry.
Very sneaky.
Yeah. But I fry that one there. Or jerk him. The one that could have jerk.
You want to go feed?
Yeah. Oh, alligator foot.
Really? Can you see alligator? That's a big one right there, right? Yeah, can you see alligator?
Wow.
Can you see? If you go in there, them can't run out. Can they move too fast?
No, they're not moving so fast.
Alright. Make she go in there. Make she go in there.
Turtle soup.
Turtle.
Wow. Early, dude. Turtle. It's hot. Look at the water.
You're looking over there at Biscayne Bay. The whole of Biscayne Bay right there.
It's beautiful.
Why do the turtles have this big old
Come here.
Hi. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Simon.
Sí.
Fill up.
Don't frighten me.
Yeah, so this is a nice little bridge. OMG, I could see myself getting married on this bridge.
You know some of the bus asleep right there, so.
I would get married on this bridge.
Can they come and married again?
I do. Run the yeah.
White-tailed deer easily adapt to a variety.
So we're not going to find one little lizard this. No, so what's wrong with these people? It's a tiny. Yeah, look at that big turtle and that tiny little lizard.
What you gonna do?
So put him jump up.
In my catch time,
What you looking at me? Hey, let me take that.
Bro, that scared me, bro.
P dance.
Trees. I'm not saying
Looking at me?
Joshua dance.
Man, did dance. Watch a dance now. Watch a dance.
Yeah, hey.
Kida dance.
If I jump, who ain't got no money?
Daddy, his head is moving.
Move.
Do some Jefferson.
White-tailed deer are named for large white tail or fly. Males can reach 400 pounds, while females weigh between 70 and 200 pounds.
One back. Philip. Philip, go back.
Mate, move on, now.
Alright.
See? We'll come and see where man look at. Eh? Them long belly. It's alright, it's okay. Mama tell you. Everybody get everybody get burger? The whole of them get burger.
Huh?
The whole of them buy burger.
Turkey burger.
Turkey burger. I'm not seeing a turkey though. The whole time I'm there, I'm not seeing a turkey.
Bacon burger.
So.
Look at the top!
Ooh.
Hey, come to me.
Dolphin.
There's someone going up.
Look at that. Come to me. Yes. Wow, look at this. Yes, my friend. Yes.
The nice zone, Tammy.
Watch it. It's like their eyes are closed.
Yeah.
That is awesome sauce.
They have something that blocks their eyes from getting wet, right? Yeah, they have something over their eyes. Like their regular eyes is here, and then they have like a shield over their eyes so it doesn't get wet.
Woo. That was very sophisticated. Sharp.
Yeah, that's it. It's yes, I touch it. Ooh, that's it. Maya, touch it.
Touch it what?
Look.
Those are big.
Whoa, it feels funny.
Don't touch Stingray. Oh my gosh. Stingray. How are you?
Just touch it, Josh.
There's too much. Don't touch the tail or it's gonna kill you.
It's not gonna kill you, but just don't touch it. It's
It stings you like a jelly.
yeah.
Simone, be careful. Be careful.
Mayo, it feels funny, you know, Mayo.
Now she didn't feel it yet?
I'm not trying to.
Try, Josh. Try. I promise you, Josh. Try. Josh, try. Touch it. See one here, just try. Try touch. Right now we're at the shark presentation, and I don't really see no shark still. I see something swim around, but I don't really know if a shark because the water is dark.
Very, very dark.
So.
Oh. Some black shark there.
Yeah, them no one come up. Them come up at the top, I see them.
A big fish.
I don't know. I don't live down there.
I think a big fish.
Whatever them is, them under the water. Them need to come up. Them need to come up, make us see them.
One down there, I'm going to see.
You know much people up here wait for them? Why them can't come up?
One down there, I'm going to see if I reach out them.
Mike, them need to come up. That me talk about. People up here waiting on them.
One down there, let me see if I reach out.
I don't like them shark. They don't have no manners.
Let me see if I reach out.
Them shark don't have no manners. So once you're coming, make sure that you plan to give a whole day. You know, because there are different schedule, different shows for different schedule, and then there are attractions, other little attractions around. As it is right now, we're heading towards the Penwing Island, and that's gonna be another show. I have to always be trying to straighten get my accent out of the way. In Jamaica, we say Penwing, you know, but the Penwing attraction is next, so we're on the way to that one. And then we have the killer whale after that, and yeah, the shark wasn't all that. Yeah, so Yeah, the shark attraction wasn't all that. Alright, so make we continue walking, and we walk, over there is the shark attraction. So we're on the way to the Henwing part, yeah. So we're here at the Flipper Dolphin Show, and as you can see, the show not really started yet, but a whole heap of people are waiting. Dolphin them in the water, and this is where it's gonna jump off. They're gonna be flipping and fluffing. Yes, nice. Me like it, my youth.
It's a very relaxing.
Josh, come out of the sun, no babes. Watch out.
The Miami Trail. Look at that. Awesome. Enjoy your life, man. I can tell y'all, man. You gotta enjoy your life. Yes, you gotta enjoy this life. Do that. Instruct the dolphins then. Yes, yes. No, no. Him not follow you. Him not follow you. Man, him not follow you.
Killer whale exhibit. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Killer whale exhibit, guys. Yeah. We have some. Yeah, it look like dolphins. That's it, guys. The whole of we tired out. We'll leave the Miami Seaquarium now and we are going. So hey, it was fun, trust me. It's a place that you could all visit when you guys are in South Flow, make sure to visit the Miami Sea Aquarium. Can you say?
Definitely. No question about it.
Me enjoy it. I enjoyed it. I totally enjoyed it. So look at boy there, and to the rest of people then there, and see Simone them there, and thing, and see Tammy there, and see Kino way back there, so, and people in front of you. We are going now. All right, bye.